Hey Fact Channels fans! Did you know these adorable spiky creatures are facing some serious trouble? Stick around as we unveil why hedgehogs are inching toward endangerment and spill 8 eye-opening facts on how we can become their heroes. Hedgehogs are lactose intolerant, yet the myth of giving milk endures, which can cause them serious harm. Did you know that urban sprawl is one of the biggest threats to hedgehogs? As we expand our cities, we destroy their natural habitats. How about the fact that road mortality is a leading cause of death for hedgehogs? Building more wildlife tunnels and safe crossings can help save them. Slug pellets contain chemicals lethal to hedgehogs. By using organic alternatives in your garden, you can protect these charming creatures. Would you believe that bonfires pose a hidden danger for hedgehogs? A pile of wood looks like a perfect home, but it can become a deadly trap once lit. Climate change disrupts hibernation patterns, making it harder for hedgehogs to survive the winter months and affecting their food sources. Planting native shrubs and creating hedgehog-friendly gardens not only provides shelter but also increases biodiversity in your area. Hedgehogs' numbers have declined by half over the past 2 decades in some regions, urging an immediate call to action for conservation efforts. Thanks for watching Fact Channels. Like and subscribe to keep the facts rolling in.